Welcome to Entry 2, the Sovereign Tri-Flame, How a Human Becomes Whole Again. There are three forces inside every person. Most people think they are separate, mind on one side, body on the other, soul floating somewhere in metaphor. But they are not separate flames. They are one flame with three directions. Three ways a human touches reality. Mind, the flame of clarity. Body, the flame of presence. Soul, the flame of meaning. When these three burn together, we call it sovereignty. Not control, not dominance, not rebellion. Sovereignty is the state where you can say, I know what I feel. I know what I think. And I choose my path deliberately. This is the Tri-Flame. It is ancient, psychological, biological, and spiritual all at once. It belongs to every culture, every time period, every person who has tried to become whole. Let us remember it clearly. The mind flame. Clarity without chaos. The mind is the storyteller. Its job is not to be silent. Its job is to be honest. When the mind flame is strong, thoughts become tools, not storms. Clarity replaces anxiety. Focus becomes choice, not struggle. You can look at your own beliefs without fear. A sovereign mind does not mean a quiet mind. It means a trusted mind. And trust is built through truth. What is real? What is fear? What is memory? What is projection? When you can answer these without running from yourself, your mind becomes an ally, not a cage. The body flame. Presence without performance. The modern world forces people into disconnection. Screens over sensation. Stress over stillness. Performance over presence. But the body is not just muscle and bone. It is the antenna of consciousness. It tells you when something is wrong before the mind can explain it. Pressure in the chest, heat in the spine, a pull in the gut, a calm behind the eyes. These are not mythical. They are signals your biology has evolved for millions of years. A sovereign body does not mean perfection. It means listening. When the body flame is respected, you move with intention. You rest with permission, and you act with alignment instead of impulse. The soul flame. Meaning without illusion. The soul flame is not a religion. It is not doctrine. It is not supernatural. It is the human capacity to feel meaning. When the soul flame is awake, you sense direction even without knowing the full path. You feel truth without needing external validation. You recognize distortion without panic or paranoia. You can love without losing yourself. You can grow without abandoning your past. The soul flame does not ask for worship. It asks for honesty. What do I truly want to become? What kind of man or woman am I shaping myself into? What does my presence do to the world around me? These questions are the beginning of purpose, not grand destiny, but authentic life. When the three flames align, when mind, body, and soul burn together, you stop being reactive and start being present. You stop being confused and start being clear. You stop being fragmented and start being whole. This is sovereignty, not perfection, not enlightenment, not superiority. Sovereignty is simply the state in which your inner world is no longer fighting itself. From that place, you can change your life. From that place, you can heal. From that place, you can see the world without losing your center. And from that place, you are ready to continue the Codex. Welcome to Entry 2. Welcome to the Sovereign Tri-Flame.